Okay, so I want to give a quick demo of the work I've been doing, primarily on the random color collections, um, and maybe one or two other things. So I'm going to put the microphone down for a minute. I'm going to draw some effects here, and then we'll go over how this is going to work for now. Okay, so the candle flicker effect does not support color. I don't know why it doesn't. Something we need to look at. Um, the random color, obviously, it will not work on the custom value, lip sync, nutcracker, or either the device actions. I believe I have it working on everything else. Um, one thing it will do on the alternating effects, since that consists of two colors, it will pick a random color for the first color and a random color for the second color. If it happens to pick the same color for both of them, it will make one attempt to choose a different color for the second color and then go on. So the way we set up our collection is going to be under Tools, under Random Color Collections. Now this dialog still needs some work. Uh, right now I have one collection in here, Test, with 4 colors. I've got some more work to do here. You'll be able to set discrete or pixel, and then also as many collections as you want. So let's get out of that, and let's apply that to these effects here. I'll right click, go to collections, random colors. Now I'm hoping to add the uh, other libraries here also, uh, mainly the curve and probably eventually a gradient. Uh, for now, this is all that's going to be here. The type we have set up right now is a discrete, so we'll choose that. It's going to go through the colors that we have. Now these boxes that end up without a color, that's because these are elements that are defined um, that will not support the color that was chosen there. Um, Probably going to be blue on those. Um, I will make it detect which colors are applicable. If it ends up with a color that's not, it will get one that is for that effect. That's the hope anyway. So there we go. There's those. Um, let's spread that out a little bit more for these. And of course, with only 4 colors in there, we see some of them repeat, but the alternating effect, let's put some of those here. Let's expand that down so we can, I already got some there. Okay, so we'll select those. We're going to apply, well, that's one more thing. Right now, you've got to have at least 4 effects selected. That's to make sure we get enough to work with to actually get some random numbers. Okay, like this one, it tried once to generate a different color. It couldn't do it, so it went on. I should be able to come up with something a little bit better so that that doesn't happen. One thing that's nice about this also is it's based on, of course, the effects that you have selected, so you could use that in conjunction with the drag box filter, um, and just pick out the effects that you want to do that way. That's really about it. I don't have the add color working yet, but I do have the remove color. Like I say, it needs a little bit more work, but that's where it's at right now.